Are you looking for the best soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Weller 70YIHUA 1010NA Digital Soldering Station. The Weller Digital Soldering Station is a high-performance 70-watt soldering station. It quickly heats up and provides a faster recovery time. It offers a wide temperature range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 850 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a variety of applications, from delicate PCB work to soldering large wires and connectors. The soldering station comes with a digital LCD display that provides clear temperature readouts and easy adjustment through simple navigation buttons. Users can lock the temperature settings with a password-protected system. The station also includes standby and auto setback modes which conserves energy, extend tip life, and improve safety. It includes WEP70 lightweight pencil-style soldering iron with a comfortable grip and a heat-resistant silicone cable for safe and convenient operation. The tips can be easily changed without any additional tool. It is compatible with Weller's ET series tips that are affordable and long-lasting. The station also includes an iron holder, pH 70, with a cleaning sponge for safe storage during use. Moreover, it is ESD safe, protecting sensitive electronic components from static discharge during soldering. Overall, the Weller soldering iron combines precision, ease of use, and safety features into one compact package, making it a great choice for hobbyists, repair technicians, and educational environments. Number 2. WEP882D Soldering Iron Station. The WEP882D is a 2-in-1 soldering station which combines a soldering iron and a hot air rework station into a single compact unit. The soldering iron features a fast-heating ceramic element, capable of reaching temperatures between 200 degrees Celsius and 480 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature can be adjusted using a digital control interface with a clear LED display, allowing for precise and consistent temperature settings during work. The hot air rework station delivers adjustable airflow and temperature control with temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. The airflow is adjustable to suit various components and soldering scenarios. Both the soldering iron and hot air gun feature independent controls, allowing users to work with either tool separately or simultaneously as needed. For enhanced safety and longevity, the station includes ESD-safe design to protect delicate components from electrostatic discharge. It also features an automatic cooling function that prolongs the life of the heating elements by cooling down the hot air gun after use. The soldering station includes a variety of accessories such as multiple soldering tips, hot air nozzles for different sized components, a soldering iron holder with a cleaning sponge, and a hot air gun holder for safe storage during and after operation. Number 3. YIHUA 947 360W Soldering Iron Kit. The YIHUA 947-3 is a reliable and affordable 60W soldering iron kit ideal for beginners and hobbyists. It has an adjustable temperature dial, allowing users to set the temperature between 428 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. It also includes a built-in temperature switch to turn the solder iron on/off even when plugged in. The iron's design emphasizes safety with its anti-static construction, which protects sensitive electronic components from damage caused by static electricity. The kit includes several accessories such as multiple interchangeable soldering tips, solder wire, a flip-up iron stand with a cleaning sponge, a solder sucker for desoldering tasks, and anti-static tweezers. This makes it well suited for most DIY soldering applications. Number 4. TS101 Soldering Iron Station Kit. The TS101 Soldering Iron Kit is a compact, portable, and highly advanced soldering solution suitable for professionals and electronics enthusiasts. It has a boost heating function allowing it to quickly heat up in a short time. The temperature that can be accurately and easily adjusted from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius. This soldering iron is powered via a DC power supply or USB-C PD adapter, making it highly portable and convenient for fieldwork or travel. It also includes smart features like automatic sleep mode, overheat warning, and smart temperature control. It can also be connected to the computer to upgrade firmware and configure. The 128 by 32 pixel digital OLED display provides clear temperature readouts, instant voltage, preset temperature, and instantaneous power bar. The kit typically comes with a soldering iron stand, power adapter, cables, and high-quality soldering tips. Number 5. ANBES Soldering Iron Kit. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable soldering solution, this 60W soldering iron kit is a great pick for beginners, hobbyists, and even casual tinkerers. Designed to operate on 110 VAC, the soldering iron features an internal ceramic heating element that ensures rapid heat up, reaching operational temperatures within just a couple of minutes. The temperature can be adjusted between 200 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius using a simple rotary knob on the handle, allowing users to work on a range of soldering tasks, from delicate circuit boards to moderately heavy-duty joints. One of the best aspects of this iron is the inclusion of 5 interchangeable tips, each offering a unique shape to suit different soldering needs, whether it's fine-point precision work or broad surface joints. The iron also includes an on-OFF switch with an indicator light, a safety feature that helps prolong tip life by preventing unnecessary heating. The kit comes with a soldering iron, desoldering pump, tin wire tube, soldering iron stand, tweezers, wire stripper cutter, 2 electronic wires, and a solder iron tool storage bag. While it may not have a digital temperature display or ESD protection, it includes all the basics things for those just getting started in electronics or DIY repairs. 60W soldering iron with adjustable temperature range, 200 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius.